Welcome to Tuesday's Tips from So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and your local glass cutter can be a friend. There are a lot of times I have shapes that I need to make templates out of, and they're very inexpensive if you have them cut them for you. I know it's hard to see, but I've had this hexagon shape cut out, and it fits right on top. These two pieces made my project really easy. Ask for 3 millimeters because that's a great thickness. It's the same thickness as what a regular ruler would be. And it comes usually with this piece of plastic over top that we're going to be able to just peel off and remove. The edges are sanded so that they're not rough to me, but they still are straight. And when I do need something, I will give them the actual printout of the shape that I need. And the first thing I do is I check and make sure the shape is the right size that the pattern requires. A lot of them will have a guide, like a 1-inch square or a 1-inch line. And as long as this works out to be 1 inch, then you know your pattern piece is going to be correct. I bring this to them and they cut me the shape. And I'm going to be able to take that shape and I know it's going to match perfect. This shape makes it a lot quicker to do your cutting and the construction. They also can drill holes. I like to keep my ruler sets together. So I have the ruler and the directions. Everything is held together. And I use these little round clips. They're called binder clips, and you can get them in the stationery store. By having everything together, I'm not going to lose anything. And sometimes my rulers don't have holes in them. I have a great set of circular rulers that I love, and I use them all the time. Not just for the circle, but for pie shapes and just curves. But they had no holes in them. So I kept trying to store them in a plastic bag, but plastic bags do break. I took the set to my glass cutter, and he was able to put holes in them. Now I can keep all of my pieces together. You will need to let them know where to put the hole, but after that, you'll come back with beautiful holes in all of your rulers. It's a great way to keep your rulers organized, and it's a great way to have custom-made templates just for you. Thank you for joining me today on Tuesday's Tips. Feel free to subscribe, and as always, come on back. Let's see what we're sewing next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.